Good morning, everyone.
Hi.
Good morning, Mrs. Schmidt. Hey, the reason we called everybody together this morning is because something pretty cool happened over the weekend that's certainly worth celebrating. Maybe a lot of things cool happened. So let me just kind of tell you what this morning is about. So if you've had a chance in the last year or two to come to a halftime basketball performance to see our dance team, it takes you about 30 seconds, especially this year, it takes you about 30 seconds to recognize that they're really, really good. And so last year, and energized, last year they competed at the state dance competition and they took second place to a team who was the three-time state champions in Pewaukee. They lost by 2 points last year to finish as state runners-up to Pewaukee. And we're talking out of like 420 points, they lost by 2 points. So they came back and they worked really, really hard and dedicated themselves. And this year, as I'm sure you would agree with me, they were much, much improved over last year, and they are awesome. So 2 weeks ago, or I should say the weekend before last, they went down to regionals, competed in 2 events, took first and a third, and they qualified for state. And so this past Saturday, they were down at state, and there were 150 different teams competing in a bunch of different divisions. And I'm proud to report to you that for the first time in Merrill High School history, our dance team are state champions. And we certainly couldn't be prouder of them, but we want to recognize that to have a good team, you have to have a good coach. And it's my pleasure and my honor to introduce the coach of the state champion Merrill High School dance team, Miss Dorinda Gusky.
Good morning, everyone. It is great to see all of you here this morning. I am Dorinda Gusky, coach of your state champion dance team. I am proud to be standing here today after a successful season and a fabulous 5-year run. I would like to thank our parents, fans, community, and everyone here at Merrill High School for believing in us, your support, and most of all, giving these girls a chance to dance. I would like to introduce our coaches, Sheila Mueller, Lynette Trapp, Jenna Brandenburg, and part of our pit crew, Bobby Schultz. In just a few moments, you will be introduced to a team of young ladies I am extremely proud of. I have never had a group of girls that have been more dedicated to accomplishing the ultimate goal of winning a state championship. Many of them got a taste of this last year as we proudly came home as state runner-up, leaving them with unfinished business. And for the rest of the story, I would like to introduce your dance team captain and member of the 2016 All-State Dance Team, Allie Gusky.
Oh man, I have to say, if you asked me 5 years ago where I think I would be 5 years from now, I would never have said, speaking in front of the entire school, wear camouflage pants. But here I am, and there's literally no place I'd rather be. And with this team, they are amazing. So, supposed to be finishing this story. Last year, we finished just 2 points short. And it gave us a sense of knowing that we could do it, but we knew it would take all we had. So, we practiced longer, harder, and this team would come to every practice. They would settle for nothing less than the best. And they just pushed themselves all year long, and I'm so proud to be a part of them, and I'm just so proud of them. And like each year, we have a great team. We've made it to state 4 years in a row, which is something that not a lot of people get to say. And here we are, state champions, so that's great. And I'm rambling on now, okay. But each part of this team, each girl is super valuable, okay. In dance, we don't have bench. If you're not doing something, you can't just sit out. We work together and build each other up every practice. And here we are year we were 2 points short of being the 3-time state champions. And this year, we not only beat them in our state champions, but we beat them by 22.5 points. What do you say we meet our team? All right, here we go, starting with the freshman. Sydney Brandenburg. Jillian English. Rebecca Leander. Mackenzie Massa. McKenna Minier. Michaela Nelson. Lydia Rosengren. Mary Potlicki. And Nora Trapp. Now, 40% of our team is freshmen. And that is just absolutely amazing. They came in this year, and honestly, I don't think they even expected to come this far. Most dance teams don't even let their freshmen perform. And here we are with half our team being freshmen, and they are unbelievable. They came in this year and pushed themselves to the limits. They are just a great part of our team that we gained this year, and I'm so looking forward to seeing what the next 3 years brings for you guys. You're so lucky to have us. All right, now we have our sophomores and juniors. Allison English. Shania Horvisher. Kelsey Abelseed. Sam Brandenburg. The best manager in the world, Taylor Yagi. Callie Johnson. Caitlin Colehouse. And Sarah Scout. Again, this group is strong, smart dancers. And each one of them brings something super unique to the team that we're so lucky to have. And last but not least, we have our seniors who put their hearts and souls into this team for 4 years. Haley Byer. Mackenzie Brooklyn. Molly Roman. Cassie Schultz. But lastly, I think I speak for all of us when I think we need to thank someone that would never, ever say anything nice about herself or take any of the credit for this is our coach, Dorinda. Most of us have known her. She's been our mentor, role model since we were 3 years old. And she just treats us all like we're her own kids. And I am a kid. But everybody else too, like we're all her kids. And just lifting us up, helping us reach our goals, pushing us when we need to be pushed, putting us in our place when we need that, and just being amazing. So thank you for believing in us and for everything you've done for us for our entire lives. Thank you. We love you. Okay, that's all I have.
So rather than just talk about it, how about we see it in action? It is my pleasure to introduce to you performing their first place finish hip hop dance routine, the 2016 state champion Merrill Bicycle Dance Team. front of you is the trophy that they brought home with them from lacrosse that says state champions. We'll proudly display that in our trophy case. And in addition, we have the 2 state banners similar to those up on top that we will proudly display in our field house. So how about one last round of applause for our dance team. I appreciate everyone coming this morning.